If you are preparing for competitive exams, you already know the frustration of drowning in materials. Putting in 12 hours a day means very little when your focus is buried under unorganized piles of textbooks and loose notes. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to take the tools inside your ASLER kit and build a customized study engine designed specifically for high-retention learning. To start, you need a completely blank slate. Clear everything off your desk right now. The only items you should have in front of you are your ASLER kit and a printed copy of your exam syllabus. Removing the physical clutter is a necessary mechanical step. An empty desk provides the mental space required to absorb and retain complex information. We begin with the strategy page. This document requires you to define 3 things immediately: your ultimate exam goal, the specific academic obstacles you face, and your timeline. Write these down. Take that timeline and divide it across your yearly, monthly, and weekly planners. By allocating specific syllabus topics to specific weeks, you break a massive workload into manageable, sequential tasks. Now, look at the books you need for this week alone. Place them in the 10 book holders provided in the kit. If a textbook isn't on your current weekly planner, it does not belong on your desk. Anchoring your daily reading to a long-term strategy ensures every hour serves your final exam date, preventing you from getting distracted by low-priority details. With your timeline established, you need to organize your effort chronologically into 5 distinct phases. This pyramid charts progression. Base Level 1, Foundation, secures basic concepts. Level 2, Comprehensive, completes syllabus coverage. Level 3, Intensive, targets weak subjects. Level 4, Catalyst, builds speed and accuracy. The peak, Level 5 Accelerator, is for rapid pre-exam revision. Do not rush the structure. Attempting speed and accuracy drills in Level 4 before you have secured your Level 1 foundation will waste your time and erode your confidence. Following this escalation ensures your progress is measured by actual improvements in your capability, rather than simply counting the hours you spent reading. Next, we structure your note-taking. The kit includes 9 premium registers. Take the 6 ruled registers. Look at this page layout. These ruled notebooks are formatted specifically for the Cornell method. Place questions and keywords in the left margin, detailed main points in the right block, and a brief summary at the bottom. Now gather the 3 plain white registers. Keep them together with your pencil and scale. These unlined pages are visual territory. Use them only for drawing diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps. That leaves 3 plain lined registers. Allocate these entirely for rapid, one-liner factual notes that you need to memorize quickly. Finally, assign your stationery. Use the 3 colored pens and 2 highlighters methodically. Use red ink to draw boxes around definitions, and highlighters exclusively for core concepts. Grouping your notes by format, structural notes here, visual maps there, and one-liners in a separate book, trains your brain to retrieve information much faster during exams. With inputs planned and categorized, turn your attention to your daily output using the activity diary. Open the diary. Set up your first 4-day action plan, assigning specific tasks to specific days, and fill in the habit tracker to monitor your consistency. Then prepare your testing materials. Place the UPSC answer booklets and the 12 OMR sheets nearby to simulate the exact conditions of your exam. Keep your 50 paper bookmarks and sticky notes right next to your practice tests. The moment you make a mistake on an OMR sheet or in a booklet, place a sticky note on the exact page. Tagging errors immediately integrates correction into your daily routine. You stop passively taking tests and start actively eliminating your weak points. Look at your workspace. The clutter is gone. Everything on this desk now serves a specific, structured purpose. Tomorrow morning, you won't waste the first hour of your day wondering what textbook to open or how you should study. Your macro strategy, daily practice, revision schedules, and physical tools are all operating together as one disciplined unit. Open your daily planner right now, locate the very first task on your list, and begin. The combination of the right physical system and the right timeline execution is how maximum scores are achieved. You are ready to start.